In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Storylines tool from the Knight Lab at Northwestern University. This great, free, simple-to-use tool allows you to take data from a spreadsheet and turn it into an interactive chart that reveals the story behind the data. To get started, all we need is a simple Google spreadsheet. I have an example here. And in this example, I have data about the COVID-19 outbreak that's overtaking the world. It's simple data that reveals the total number of cases by day going back to early March. Of course, your spreadsheet could contain any sort of data, but it works best with data that changes over time, meaning one of your data columns needs to include a time range. So in my spreadsheet, column A has dates, and you can see it goes back to March 9th of 2020 and up until April 12th of 2020. In column B, I have total number of cases, and this is just a simple number. I want to make sure that the column includes plain text numbers. So before going on, I'm going to highlight the column and select Format, Number, and make sure this says plain text. Next, I have a column called Title, and in this, I'm going to point out some key moments from this story. So for example, on March 11th, 2020, the World Health Organization named this current coronavirus outbreak officially as a pandemic. That's a significant moment, so I want to point it out in my story. So I title it, and I give a little bit of detailed text. And you can see I've done that for a few different moments throughout this story. Once I've got my spreadsheet all set up the way I want it, I can publish it to the web by selecting File and Publish to the Web. Then I just click on the green Publish button and confirm that I want the data to be available online. Now I'm going to close this pop-up window. And I need to get the link to this spreadsheet, so I'm going to simply copy the URL from the address bar. Once I've got that, I'm going to open up a new tab and search for Knight Lab. I'll visit the Knight Lab website and select Projects from the navigation bar. Then I'll scroll down and select Storyline from the available projects. I can read more about the Storyline tool here and how it works, but I'm going to jump right in and create mine. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where this gray Configure Your Storyline box is. And I'm going to paste the link to my spreadsheet right in and select Load. Now I need to format. I'm going to go through and select the Date column, how my dates are formatted, mine are month, day, year, which column has the data, that would be my total cases column, and how I want that to appear on the Storyline graph. Then I tell it that this column has my titles and this column has my text. And then I can tell it how I want my dates to appear. I'm going to use this format. Then simply click Create Storyline and I'm good to go. I can view the storyline right here, but better off, I will copy the link and open a new tab and visit that link. And this is my storyline. You can see on the bottom I have all of my dates, and then I have my points, and I can click on my cards to see all of those key moments and what happened. This is a great way to show the stories that hide behind data, and it's a free and simple tool perfect for use with students in the classroom. Thanks for watching.